As a complete newbie to making money online, there is a way for you to earn up to this much in one go and in complete autopilot. This method is practically a no-brainer but will definitely pack your inbox with commission notifications continuously. You only need to set this up once on either your computer or even just your mobile device. I know it sounds impossible, but trust me, once you have this set up, you will make some really good money repeatedly. I will be sharing some real-life examples, a demo, and of course, some bonus tips that could make you even more money. This is completely free and available worldwide, so make sure you stick with me all the way to the end of this video or you could easily mess this up and end up making no money at all. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now, before we get into today's strategy, I would like to quickly show you the earning potential you have here. You can make up to $79 per month with this brand new method, and as a complete beginner, multiply that by 12 months and multiply by 0.30, you earn about this much in the percentage of commissions, which means you have the potential to make $284.4 in just a year, and all you have to do is set this up once and you are good to go. Once again, make sure to watch every second of this video so you don't miss a single detail on how to set this up and some additional tips to help you maximize your profits up to 10 times. You could easily make so much money with this technique and for free when you log on to useproof.com. This is the first thing you will see when you visit the UseProof homepage. You can see that they have worked with a handful of the biggest global organizations, confirming that they are legit. They pay on time as well, which just makes this such a great opportunity for us to start partnering with them as well. So basically, this website sells product, as you can see here, experiences and pulse, and what we will be doing here is referring these products to potential clients, and we could earn up to $200 per commission, which literally takes one click. We don't need any special skills or complicated outputs such as creating videos or websites. Don't worry, I will walk you through the entire process step by step and teach you all you need to know about this method so you can start earning commissions that might total this much today. Essentially, this is how the website's program works, and it only takes 3 minutes. Simple ways to join their program. The very first step is to register. This simply takes a few minutes to sign up and you are ready to go. You can now acquire your own referral link, which is completely free and available globally. Second, grab your referral link and share it on social media platforms and other platforms. But on this video, as I mentioned earlier, we won't be sharing anything on social media. We don't need any followers. We don't need a YouTube channel. We don't need to create any videos at all. None of that work. Instead, we will be using a rather low-key money-making website where we can get free traffic and referrals that could get us up to thousands of clicks on our referral link, making us up to this much in commission. This would be completely automated, so you won't have to do anything after you've put it up. Finally, for the third step, you will get paid your commissions for each sale that you make, which you can simply cash out at the end of each month using PayPal. But don't worry if you don't have a PayPal or a bank account, because they really provide you with various options that you can easily request. Speaking of, why don't you leave a comment down below and let me know what your preferred payment method is and what country you're in, so I can make videos dedicated to you guys in the future. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Continuing with the video, signing up for this website is completely free. Let's get started on it now. Simply go down to the very bottom of their page and look for the area that says Companies. Then click on Partners to get to this page. Simply click on the Join Now button, which will take you to a page where you can sign up and join their partner program. You can sign up using your Google account or your own email address, both of which are free. After you sign up, you may grab your referral link and share it with dozens of others, earning you commissions on autopilot. Next, go to Google and type in cooking online courses and hit enter to search. From here, we will find different website owners who sell online courses. Of course, you're free to search for other categories as well, such as digital marketing online courses, gardening online courses, or even fitness training courses. Your options are limitless here, but for now, we will stick with the cooking online category. So, we will go to the very bottom of the Google search page and jump forward to pages 3 through 10. This is a pretty nice method that I'd want to share with you. The reason we skip the first couple of pages is that the website on pages 1 and 2 are already established, popular company websites, so they don't really need a referral link. So, our main target audience that will help us make money with this strategy are small to medium-sized businesses. There is a higher chance for you to make some really good cash by getting these people to click on your link and have them buy the packages that cost these amounts respectively. These are the prices of each package, and for a single package, you are going to get 30% of that in commission. Again, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Going back to Google, this is now on the third page of the results. What we are going to do now is look for other websites such as this one over here, as well as this one and this one. Basically, your options are limitless here. You may now locate hundreds of more websites on this page. This is really essential, so please pay close attention. Make sure you don't skip ahead because I will be demonstrating precisely how we are going to achieve this with all of these various websites. Let us take a look at the Leap School of Food and Wine website as an example. This website mostly provides online cooking training to anyone who wishes to learn how to cook through their online courses. What we will do is propose the Evidence program, which will assist them in growing and developing their business by raising conversion and therefore increasing revenues. All of these website owners are our target market to whom we will promote the Proof program, allowing us to earn money through commissions. Now we will check for the website's contact email address, which is generally toward the bottom of the page. As you can see, they have their email address right here, so we are going to send them an email promoting the packages Proof provides, and if they buy the things, we will receive our commission. What is also great about this company is that we won't have to do any of the work ourselves. Once the website owners click on our link, they will be redirected to the official website of Proof. They can initially go for the free trial to test out the service. The only thing we have to do is find the right website and the right people to share our referral link with. That is the most important part. If you can find their contact email, you can still contact them through their social media accounts and share your phone link. Consider this, in a single day, you could reach out to around maybe 20 people, and even if only one of those people purchases a package through your link, you could still make 30% in commission, which would amount to $79, which is quite a lot of money for just a single purchase. Furthermore, if you reach out to even more people, I definitely recommend this method of making money online, particularly if you have more time on your hands because you can easily contact all of these business owners. Moreover, because Proof provides a free 14-day demo, there is a greater possibility that customers won't want to purchase a package after trying it out for free and seeing that is genuinely legit. You may make 30% in recurring commissions every single month that works completely on autopilot. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.